Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from Binance to Exmo in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process is simpler than ever, but it's crucial to follow the steps carefully to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or an experienced trader switching exchanges, this tutorial will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Exmo, and that your Litecoin is in your Binance spot wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section at the top of the page, then select Spot Wallet to see your balances. Next, click on Withdraw. It's usually right there in the wallet overview. You'll be prompted to search for the asset you want to withdraw, so type in Litecoin or select it from the list. Now, this is important, double-check the network. For Litecoin, you'll typically use the Lieutenant Kernel network to ensure compatibility with Exmo. Once you've selected Litecoin, you'll need to enter your Exmo wallet address. To get this, log into your Exmo account, go to your wallet, find Litecoin, and copy the deposit address. Paste that into the withdrawal form on Binance. Then, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Remember to leave enough for any network fees. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. Binance might require 2FA verification, so have that set up. Once you're good, click confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. The transaction usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After that, hop over to your Exmo account and check your Litecoin balance. It should show up once the transfer is complete. A quick tip: always use the exact address and network to prevent losses, and keep an eye on gas fees since they can vary. And there you have it, your Litecoin is now safely in Exmo. This method works for 2025's updated interfaces, but platforms can change, so stay updated. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.